What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm out at Antelope Island testing out this gigantic awning on my trailer. Got a propane fire pit going on, got some breakfast going. Just spent the night in here, sleeping nice and cozy. Oh, and there's this little thing. We got Starlink. High-speed internet is a game changer. This is a good video, hope you guys enjoy it. Get into the intro. Gonna have some visitors at camp tonight. We are back at Antelope Island with the teardrop. I just mounted this 270-degree awning and it's got walls that go around the whole thing so I can have a big enclosed area to get out of the wind because it gets really cold out here when the wind's blowing. Let's get the 270 awning set up. And there it is. Let's get the walls zipped on there and staked down. Forgot my metal hammer, so the rubber mallets gonna have to do. Whew, that was a little bit of work. Not bad though, but it is officially set up. So right here we got kitchen. That's where I can do all my cooking. I got little puck lights. I'm also gonna string up little lights as well. Coming around from the kitchen, we have all of this freaking room. It feels gigantic in here. Can walk over here. Truck is gonna block off that side, help with the wind, and there's a bison that's actually pretty freaking close. He's just chilling though. Coming in here, we have our bed. Heater is still broken, unfortunately. Working on getting that fixed, but it shouldn't get too cold tonight. Huge fan of this layout so far. Yeah, let's grab the Starlink. Oh ho ho! Look at this little guy. I think I'm just gonna set it up like right there. We got our Jackery 1000 watt power bank. Okay, that took a second to figure out, but we are online. Woo! That is so sick. Sick. Okay, well, the next step is to set up the iPad and see if I can log into YouTube TV. Just like that, we got YouTube TV.
100 others trying to stay inside the top 100 like...
It's looking pretty cool. This is pretty awesome. So while I can still see, bought these lights. They're little string lights and they roll up. And you can roll them back in. I'm gonna set these up all underneath while I still have some daylight. Click those on, and look at that. We got some lights. That's cool. Sun just barely went down. Oh, look at those. That's gorgeous. So nice out here in the winter. No bugs, no people. Yeah, it's cold, but you got the right setup, you can deal with it. It is starting to get cold though, so I think I might get that fire pit going on low in there. I brought my little thermometer setup so we can see the difference between outside of the awning and inside at how warm it is. Yeah, I'm gonna snap a thumbnail real quick and we'll get in there. Right now it says 64 on both. I'm just gonna set this by the iPad and we can go move this outside. We can set this right up here. Let's go get warm. Well, there's plenty of ventilation in here. Doesn't really even smell like propane. Lots of air coming through. Feels a lot better in here though than outside for sure. We got 40 minutes until the Jazz game starts. So I'm gonna hang out, unpack a few more things, and then we will watch the game. And once it gets dark, we'll get dinner going. I don't know if you guys can see him or not. Actually, you definitely can. He's super close. Right over there. I couldn't see him over this way, and I panicked thinking he was close, so I peeked my head out. He is pretty close, so definitely gonna hunker down in here. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? Let's do a temperature update. It's been maybe 5 minutes. Oh, you can feel it. 49 outside, 60 in here. So already 11 degrees warmer just from having a little bit of fire going. It is 5:45 and it is officially below freezing. All right, I'm gonna get dinner going. On the menu for tonight, we have steak and potatoes. Well, that is way too much potato for one person. Potatoes are nice and crispy. Got a nice ribeye that's been marinating all day. That was pretty good to me. You know, normally I would let a steak rest, but considering that it's 25 degrees outside, I think letting it rest will turn it ice cold. Put this on top of all the potatoes. Oh man. I'm gonna move the iPad back over to the chair, snug up to the fire, and enjoy this meal. That is excellent. Simple and delicious. That was good. Tons of potato left though. I will save these. I can just put these here in the fridge since it's so cold. I'll reheat them tomorrow morning. It's like almost 9 p.m. but figured I would break out one of my favorite things ever is these butter cookies. Shout out Holland for getting me these. And I got a little milk to go with. A little milk and cookies for dessert. I think I'm gonna try old-fashioned looking one. The old-fashioned donuts. Cheers, everyone. That is so good. I think I'm gonna eat these cookies and then get as warm as I can by the fire and then crawl into bed. It's getting pretty cold out here, so you guys when I crawl into the sleeping bag.
Just in the anger just comes out.
26 outside, 50 in here. I'll give you guys a temperature update right before I go to bed. So I'll see you then. Quick temperature update. 23 outside. See you guys in the morning. Peace. Whoa. Good morning. Slept all right. Whoa. Yep, that's right. Stayed pretty warm. Yet again, I got too hot in this 0 degree bag. I'm gonna lay here, ponder my life decisions, and try and find the motivation to get out. You know what? Not bad. Looks like I even have a few bison friends. I think I'm gonna get the fire pit going. Looks like we're sitting at 51%. Honestly, not bad at all. I'll take that. I already feel it getting warmer out here. For breakfast, gonna make some scones. I'm gonna call Holland and have her meet me. I think they'll be delicious. She was kind enough to make me a dough.
Should I just bring Ken what butter to bring?
See you shortly. Love you.
Love you, bye.
Right. Holland is on her way. I'm gonna get a bunch of water boiling. Bought this on the first snow camp video I did this year. It is excellent. If you've ever seen Outdoor Boys on YouTube, he talks about how he makes bread all the time in a bag. It's the first time doing it. Well, I guess I didn't even do it. Holland did it, so I've never done it, and I have no idea what I'm talking about. Thanks for listening. They're hot. Taste just as good as they did last night. I never know how much to pour in. That looks good. Some milk left over from milk and cookies last night, which I ate all of. Those were so good. 15 whole cookies for your boy. I have the empty tin to prove it. Just despicable. We have ourselves a warm beverage. Why do I always do that? I swear. I'm gonna set that aside. We'll come back to it. Son of a... She's here! Hey! Saving the day with not honey butter, but flapjack drizzle. Flapjackdrizzle.net. You can buy it online. It's a network, not a com. whatever that means. I burned my mouth so bad that I spit it out on the ground.
Oh no.
I can't feel my tongue. Are you surprised though?
No.
Oh, I ate all those cookies last night.
Did you?
All 15. Like a heathen. I'll go sit by the fire.
Unwrap the mattress. Definition.
Time for scones. I'm gonna test the oil a little bit.
Oh boy.
I think she's ready. Okay. Well, I did it. First one done. There you are.
Ooh. Oh, it's like
Steaming. Wow.
it's just been dripping everywhere.
It's enormous. This one is so big, I'm just gonna cut it in half. Oh. Right. Scone. Oh man. Those were so good. So good. Gonna turn the fire pit off now and unzip all the walls. Now that the walls are all off, it's time to fold up the awning. All right, that is gonna wrap up this week's video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, I'll catch you next Saturday. Do you have anything to add?
Scones were amazing.
Scones are good. They might be a camping staple. Yeah. All right, see you guys next week. Peace.